how to enable or disable auto capitalization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So now here, scroll down and click on more typing options. So after click on more typing options, so you will see first option is auto capitalize here. So if you want to disable auto capitalization, so turn off this button. So you will see auto capitalization is disabled. So if you want to enable auto capitalization, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see auto capitalization is enabled. So you will enable or disable auto capitalization from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable auto capitalization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.